All right, so here I have a lot of Python files in a single REPL. I can, as I've seen before, run them from the shell using say Python 3 -i command. A question that might come to your mind is that, can I somehow bring in a new Python file over here? For example, you might be working offline or maybe with some other tool and you've generated the .py file, and you want to make that a part of this REPL. The answer is absolutely yes. All you need to do is to click on these three dots and just go and say upload file. On my computer, I have saved this one file called justforfun.py. I mean, name doesn't matter, but any .py file, if I bring it in here, it's going to be treated at par with, let's say, any other Python file in there. Yeah. Now, in case you're using, let's say, some kind of offline tool to develop your projects, this is what you can do. However, very, very important to make sure that the code runs as you think it should. So here I'm importing time, I'm doing a bunch of prints. Let's see what this code does. So when I say Python 3 -i, let's say justforfun.py, when I do this, notice it prints this hello world in a nice animated manner. The point I was making is that I could get this from outside. I tested this working all here, and then I can probably go for submission. So, this is quite useful, I think. Yeah. I hope this was helpful. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.